Back in 1780, we were in the middle of the Industrial Revolution, and there was a great demand for all types of locks, whether it's cabinet locks or padlocks. My family started to build and develop those locks on a bench in the back of the cottage that they were living in the UK. It has now grown into a world-renowned lock-making business selling to customers worldwide, built on the British engineering, craftsmanship and innovation. We're particularly proud of our Stronghold range because of the unbelievable levels of security that we've been able to achieve with that lock.
240 years of lock-making heritage has brought us to where we are today by producing the world's strongest padlock.
We've been able to find methods to infuse those locks with special material to defeat angle grinders.
We introduced boron into the Stronghold range because we found it offered much greater resistance from attack.
It adds a toughness to the material without adding brittleness.
This is the only padlock in the world that has achieved level 5 standard. It is significantly stronger than our competition. All the Stronghold range starts as a steel billet that's cut down to size. That billet then is taken to our CNC machines and it's machined in-house.
It's made from a single piece of metal and it goes from this to this.
Lock engineering is all about microns of metal, and that's how we make locks this strong.
So we go from this to this with a lot of very precise engineering in between.
Precision tooling is the heart of what we do, and we are using machines that are using the latest technology, but also we're combining that with machines that are over 80 years old.
This machine is called the jig borer. It was probably assembled just after the war. The wear and tear is very minimal, so the accuracy still stays the same.
We've recently introduced a combination product as part of the Stronghold family.
This is made from a solid steel body, and each wheel in the lock contains anti-pick devices to stop anybody being able to feel what the combination is. This is attack tested to make sure it reaches the strength criteria that we intend it to have. So if you lose your combination number, you're in trouble. This is a padlock from our CP combination range of locks. That's a unique push button feature on the bottom. Simply move the wheels round to your combination and the lock pops open, and you can reverse that by closing the lock with one hand and scrambling the code. If the wheels were on the bottom, you wouldn't be able to do that. That's the beauty of this lock.
All Squire combination products are covered with a US and European patent. That patent is on the anti-pick mechanism.
We have a range of combination padlocks to meet various price points and levels of security. You have the Marine CP50, the All-Terrain CP50. This has withstood 200 hours of salt spray testing. Then you move on to the standard CP range in various shackle lengths and closed shackle. Going up a step in security, you've got the Vulcan Combi locks, higher strength, boron shackles. We've got the Warrior Combi range. They're armoured steel padlocks, 4 or 5 wheel technology. We have the CBW85, great for containers and other high security environments. It has 100,000 combinations, boron steel shackle, great for anti-cutting.
There are padlocks and then the Squire padlocks. We aim to make the toughest products out there. We always want to be one step ahead of the criminal and ensure that we are protecting every consumer's possessions to the best of our ability.
The thing that makes me proud is that I feel that I'm securing people's possessions, and that makes me feel blessed.
I started when I'd just gone 17. I worked for Gordon Squire and work for John now. Probably won't see the next generation, but you never know.
Passion for excellence has been passed down from generation to generation of families who've worked with us. And that passion is very evident today in everything that we do. And we really are on a mission to deliver the very, very finest products that we can to our customers. Because our reputation is on the line. Our brand name has been built over 240 years, and we must maintain that level of quality and excellence in everything that we do.